Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to view all sent comments in TikTok. If you've ever wondered how to revisit the comments you've posted on TikTok or keep track of your engagement, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your TikTok account. Step 2. Tap on Profile from the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile page. Step 3. In the top right corner of the screen, tap on the 3 stacked lines. This will open the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the Settings and Privacy options. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy options, tap on Activity Center. This section allows you to manage your TikTok activity. Step 6. Scroll down and tap on Comment History. This will bring up your comment history page. Now you can explore and view all the comments you've sent on TikTok. Take a moment to revisit your past comments and engage with the TikTok community. By following these simple steps, you can easily access and view all sent comments in TikTok, allowing you to stay connected and engaged with your TikTok interactions. Thank you for watching, and enjoy exploring your TikTok comment history.